I'm very happy to be here touring and seeing the good works that have been done and carried out by our Air Force of Zimbabwe team. I would like to thank our President, Dr. Mugadza, for creating an environment where we have our government departments coming in and chipping in to assist in our communities under the banner for corporate social responsibility. This is something that we cherish because for progress and development to take place, you need unity and unity of purpose. Companies, people, different communities working together. The Air Force of Zimbabwe has done a lot of things in many other places, but here they are in Mutasa South constituency, and we are working with it. We are putting ways together, we are putting resources together. They have excellent artisans that do excellent work, and here we are. We are at an orphanage where we have children that need support from society, from government, from everyone, and they are definitely getting that support as I've already elaborated. So we are happy, and we will continue to work with them.
Right. How do you foresee these projects positively impacting the children here at Fairfield?
Yes, the children here, the children at this orphanage and like any other orphanage need support. They suffer from loneliness, from some kind of deficiency, societal rejection, and they need support. And when they feel supported, obviously they grow up well and they become mentally stable, so to speak, and they will be able to achieve their goals. They attend school, those who attend school here, but you find that some of them fail to excel because of the social lack of support that they may not be getting. With that kind of support coming through, you find that a number of them are able to excel and they become some big people in society. Firstly, I would like to thank our President, Dr. Mugadza, for creating an environment where you have our government departments coming in to do works like this, to come in to do what we could call corporate social responsibility. We only know soldiers as people that go to fight and are involved in like violent works. Now this is peaceful works they are doing here. I'm impressed. This is a hospital in rural Mutasa where of necessity we always find things that needs to be sorted out, and we've gone around. They are working on their ablution facilities, working on the paint work of the whole hospital, and the mortuary, the incinerator, provision of water, and the septic tanks, meaning to say they are overhauling, if not revamping, this whole hospital so that it remains top-notch for our rural community. Health issues and wellness are the issues that are at the heart of our government, ably led by Dr. Mugadza, and it is the same government that is chipping in through the Air Force to come and do this work. So we encourage our stakeholders around to chip in and come in and assist and work together with the Air Force so that we can even have more wards being put up here.
My name is Cecilia Tumani, my married name is Mavumbe. I work here as a helper to the administrator. I've been here since 2002. When these buildings were not yet built, that's the time when we were in the hospital. We were using one of the wards as a children's home, and we were living in boarding facility. But that's when the government was lobbying for homes so that the children can grow up being in a family. That's when we started building these homes. We opened these homes in 2004. But the Fairfield Children's Home was founded in 1903. Today, I guess you are here because we are the happiest children's home in Manicaland, because we were chosen by the Air Force of Zimbabwe as a home to come and help us with the repairs of the homes. We were happy that as we were talking to them and sharing what we have here, we mentioned that we have problems with water. That's when they also decided to drill a borehole for us. We even requested that if you drill and then use a solar borehole, we'll have problems in getting funds to pay for electricity. So they drilled a solar borehole for us. Right now, we are okay with water to use in the houses, but we still need more water because we need to irrigate our gardens so that at least we have some sort of funds coming from our produce. We have a pig project which also needs a lot of water, cleaning the pigsties and cleaning the pigs themselves, and also watering the garden. And we are also thinking in the long run we'll also grow like winter crops, like wheat, so that we sell and all the kids can also enjoy wheat bread prepared by them. So that's how we operate. Probably you'll say, where do you get your children from? We get our children from the Department of Social Welfare. Those are the ones who assess to see whether the child has a need to come to a children's home like this one. When they find a child, what they do is they call us. If we have a place, we say yes. Like right now, we have lots of space because our home, when we are full, it should be 80, but at the moment we have 41 children, which means we still have 39 space for the children. We take children as young as a day old. So the children you see here, most of them grew up here from day one up to the age of 18. That's we keep them here until they are 18. But we still support them even if they go out there. What we do is we look for families for them to go and stay with, so that we support them while they are staying with a family.
Air Force of Zimbabwe inotibatsira zvakanyanya. Mukatarisa building yatiri kutoona iyi yakapaintwa. Takabatsirwa panhau yeplumbing, takabatsirwa panhau yemagetsi. Musha wedu wanga wa dark city, asi iko zvino mukautarisa mukauya ari manheru kwangochiedza chega chega. Vakatibatsira zvakanyanya. Pawiki imwe yaya yakanga iri yeDefense Forces vakabatsira nemishonga. Community yedu yakarapwa pachena, tikabatsirwa nemishonga zvakare. Izvozvi vari kutibatsira. Tine ma West Zone kuna 9 Sinareta vari kutibatsira futi ipapo.